Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mommy Finger. For all the strawberry lovers out there, this strawberry roast video is a tip while using strawberries for cake decoration, desserts, or even as a snack for the kids. Guess what? The only ingredient needed is strawberries. Wash few fresh strawberries. Do not remove the green sepals in the strawberry. Hold the strawberry on a cutting board or any flat surface with the green sepals down. From the middle of the strawberry, make a thin slice downwards using a knife. The lower part of the slice should still be intact. Turn the strawberry slowly around and keep making thin slices. Using the knife, slightly widen the thin slices to form the outer layer of rose petals. Insert the knife in the side of the strawberry and start carving in a circle towards the center. Remove the small piece from the center. Widen the carved portion using the knife to look like petals. Strawberry roast is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.